me set the camera for you. Is it okay? It's just a 2 minutes video. I just need like 2 minutes of nice footage.
Weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know there are a lot of noises, I'm so sorry. So today's video is about how I make Faux Freckles in my when I click Instagram pictures. That's the only time when I make some Faux Freckles. Otherwise, if I'm going out, I don't, because I know people will be like, it's fake, so I avoid doing it when I go out. And all you need is a brown liquid lipstick. Although this is not totally brown, this is pink brown something, but works as freckles. So let's start. It's going out of focus. This happens when the sun sets. I don't know what happens after the sun sets. This camera stops working. This is so weird. Anyways, let's start. So I use a toothpick. I can't find the toothpick to dot. So I'm using I have washed the nip of this pen, so please don't scream at me. I have literally washed it, literally put niacinamide serum on this, and then I'm going to apply the liquid lipstick on this. So there is no ink in this pen.
As I said, generally I use a toothpick, but now I'm using a pen. So you have to make little dots all over your nose. Try to make more dots around your nose, and then try to make less amount of dots on your cheeks, near your eyes. And if you have made big blotches of dots, then please dab on it, otherwise it will look really unreal and fake. So as you can see, I'm dabbing some of them because it's really huge. So I'm trying to make it less fake. People use eyeshadow, or there are Faux Freckles products out there, but you can absolutely use a liquid lipstick, because liquid lipsticks are something which will stay on your skin until and unless you are removing it with a makeup remover, because these are pretty strong lipsticks. So I think it's the best option.
The flash is making my freckles outwashed. I seriously don't know, but there are a lot of freckles in my face right now. I generally don't do that much, but the footage is just not coming right.
This footage is from another video I made, but because the freckles are visible here, so I thought about adding the footage.
So that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe. It's almost the new year, so happy new year. Although I don't know how the new year is looking. It's kind of the same. I think that for a few more months the situation is going to be like that, but we can still hope for the best and make the best out of the situation. So yeah, that's it, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. Happy new year.